Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are back with new updates for the Monica Sementilli trial, and there are quite a few that are pretty big topics. Why haven't we heard anything about Christopher Austin? I don't know, but there was big news on him today. But first, we're going to go over a few things that Fabio's sister Mirella posted on Facebook. There's only a couple things, and then we'll be diving right in to Levine. Jumping all the way back from November 14, 2019, Mirella had posted, "Yesterday, another great day, more waiting for justice. My family and I want to thank you all for your support and prayers. Our mama is decreasing in health, losing weight, and crying all day now, and yet we see strength in her eyes. I am confident that she will stay strong until she hears the verdict. Join our family in prayers for my mama, and may the Lord guide the district attorney to be able in argument, accurate analysis, and strict in study." It's a little bit heartbreaking because we did learn after the trial that his mom did pass away before the verdict happened. Mirella also had talked about how on her mother's last day that she kept saying things about Fabio, and it was very crystal clear to her that it was her mom wanting her to continue fighting and finding out what happened to Fabio. We jump forward to April 19th of this year, and Mirella ended up posting the verdict. This link captures her guilty verdict and the court TV host bring in a New York attorney and his opinion on the case. So we're going to watch a little bit with the New York attorney. And next is your favorite attorney, Levine. He ended up coming outside the courthouse and giving very quick statements to the press. His entire legal team was with him listening in. If you didn't catch Monica's attorney, Levine, he actually spoke right after. How that wasn't blasted everywhere, I don't know. But once again, we're going to watch that too.
Monica Sementilli had nothing to do with her husband's murder, and we will pursue every legal avenue to obtain her complete exoneration and her freedom. Obviously, we're very disappointed in this result.
What would that look like? What can we anticipate from the defense team on this?
We can anticipate a motion for a new trial, considering errors that we thought maybe have been made during the course of the trial. We'll pursue any new evidence that may exist, and we'll pursue the avenues that are.
I believe they already had filed motion for a retrial, so that will at some point be happening. But I'm wondering if after that retrial, if then when people try to talk with her or Robert Baker or maybe even Christopher Austin, maybe we'll get more information, or maybe Baker will finally own up to Monica's part in the entire thing. Speaking of Christopher Austin, I've been doing a lot of research trying to find out more information on him and his family as his court day is approaching. When is his court day? I have no idea. No one has it written down anywhere. California is super weird with their rules, and you can't really search for things. It's not all public. However, I did find something that is public, and that is his inmate information and Monica's. Here's Monica's, and you can see that she is still in the jail. She has not been transferred to a prison yet. So there's really nothing to report on her. But Christopher actually has big news, and no one's talking about it. Today, Christopher had a pre-trial hearing. Now, I don't think cameras are allowed in the courtroom, which is fine. That happens, and especially happens a lot in California. However, how was no one standing outside of the courthouse trying to get questions or even just talking about it at all? No one. So I will be doing more research to see if I can find information on it, even if it's just through like the court docket. But I will be back to you because I want to know how today went, what the plan is for his trial, and if he is getting that plea deal for sure. He took it, but it meant that he needed to tell the truth and actually give out good information. And I thought he did. I thought he did a great job on the stand. He was very credible to me. So I would love to see what's going to be going on with him, and I will keep you updated. Hope some of this stuff you hadn't seen before. I love giving you guys new information or videos that you haven't. This was a couple new things for me, and so it's always nice when we spend so much time going through a trial, especially this one, very long. it's nice to be able to follow up and see more information just to keep up with everything that is still pending.